In 20 years of my education, I have been a pretty average student, not very interested into studies. This was the first time I was the most interested in learning something, in self-educating myself. Hey everyone, this is Ruchi Jaiswal. Currently, I'm pursuing an MBA in finance, and during this lockdown, I realized that I was in denial for like 1.5 years. I don't like finance. I love marketing. And with that realization, I was going through a lot of things and resources available online. I saw courses on Coursera, Udemy, and then Kraftshala also came up. I just started watching their content and their videos on YouTube. And looking at their videos, and upon digging up further, I saw that they have a marketing program which is going to help individuals like me who don't have a marketing program kickstart their career. I thought this was the opportunity for me. I enrolled, got in, had a great time, and right now I've been placed into Performics. It's a digital marketing analyst. I was a little bit curious as well that how this program is going to be. Will it be really strenuous, or there be a lot of theoretical concepts and no hands-on practical experience? And in 20 years of my education, this is the first time I've been most interested into something which adds up to my knowledge. It used to be a 10-hour day. So I was a little overwhelmed at how I'm going to sit for such long hours. But the course itself is designed in such a way that if you push yourself a little, you are not going to lose interest, because you're not mugging up theoretical concepts or anything over here. You're actually working on projects. You're actually doing the work which you require to do once you enter into the industry. And then I saw there's going to be a functional training, a human skills training, which is really good. This is really something essential, and most of the courses don't cover it. Major thanks to Sumona, my human skills trainer. She taught us a lot of stress managing techniques which would be useful in our workplace as well, and which is something which contributed a lot in making me sit for those 10 hours a day with focus. So when I entered my graduation, and within a few years, I realized that whatever I'm learning over here is not going to directly help me at my workplace. So I always saw that there was a gap in between what I was learning and what I was going to actually do at my workplace. And at Kraftshala, this gap is something which is specifically being addressed, because we as students are taught upon how to work on real life projects, how to implement strategies which you are actually going to work upon when you go out there in the corporate world. So this is something which is really different, and I really like how all the experts who taught us themselves were so invested and engaged in whatever they taught that it made us want to be like them, which is why I put in that extra effort as well. Seeing them put that effort, going out of their ways, giving their feedbacks and insights, it's really a good course. I mean, I really haven't come across any such course in these years of my education. I haven't. So we were basically taught about how to go about making integrated digital strategies to increase, say, awareness, sales, or all those objectives. What learning I take away from this program is, as a marketer, you need to always focus. Firstly, of course, you need to focus upon what your business objectives are and what you want from product or service. But the major thing is you need to focus upon the user, what the user wants. One thing which I've heard from Varun as well as Ishu, which has been in my mind and is going to stay, is always under promise and over deliver as a marketer. This is going to be my mantra now. So our batch of 22 was a diversity-rich batch. We had students from hotel management, from zoology, and of course me being from finance. So there were a lot of different perspectives coming from different people, which was really interesting. When we had to work on group projects, I had to interact with all those people, and a lot of insights came up, which also taught me about what other perspectives can I look at things. It certainly developed my people skills a lot because prior to this, I wasn't very good at working in groups, but now I can certainly say that I've become better. I used to be very excited for my sessions with Ishu because the kind of insights he provided in the session and the flow of the session, the way it took place, was such that I didn't lose interest. I gathered more interest. I wanted to ask more questions. And in fact, this is the thing which I loved the most, was that we were encouraged to ask the silliest and the stupidest of the questions without making us feel bad about asking those questions which don't even make sense. Our ideas were encouraged. We were given a clarity upon why things work, why things don't work. And I must say, teachers like Ishu are one of their kind. There should be more such teachers. I'd also like to talk about an external expert, Pavan. I really loved how he used to brainstorm with us, take all our ideas, and sort of try to form situations around it upon why things will work and why things won't, which would give us a better picture and a better understanding of concept. There were a lot of things which helped me crack my internship role. Firstly, the whole training, of course, which helped me build my digital marketing acumen and helped me gain confidence. Also, the specific thing that we had to work on practical projects, it gave me more confidence because now I know that I have not mugged up concepts and whatever you're going to ask me, I'm going to answer it because I actually know how things work. Other than that, I really appreciate how human skills training session has helped in building the kind of personality I've become today. Before joining this course, I wasn't confident at all about sitting upon interview. I was nervous, but at the same time, I knew I'd ace it because of the training I was provided at this program. So my interview process was seamless. There's a good amount of change. In fact, my parents also don't believe how far I've come. They are also very surprised. In 20 years of my education, I have been a pretty average student, not very interested into studies. This was the first time I was the most interested in learning something, in self-educating myself, which is something which surprised me about myself. I have become a little more disciplined. And of course, my marketing acumen has increased a lot. I've learned how to look at things from different perspectives and come up with insights. And also, the major part, I've learned to sit for long hours at one place. The Kraftshala team provided me with tremendous support. Being a student who was pursuing her post-graduation with this program, I faced a lot of clashes with the Kraftshala's Marketing Launchpad schedule. But the team ensured that I didn't miss on any of the Kraftshala sessions as well as didn't compromise on my post-graduation, which is something I love about it. Other than that, they used to provide feedbacks on a regular basis. There used to be detailed feedbacks upon our areas of improvement and where we are performing well. So the Kraftshala team has been really cooperative in these. This course is one of a kind. Put yourself in here, put in all your efforts and gather as much as you can, because I don't think you're going to get such a program anytime soon. The experience is going to be one of a kind. You're going to have experts who are going to add so much to your existing skill set. You're going to get a lot of insights. Make sure that you put out your thoughts out there. You ask questions, because you know what? even your stupidest questions are going to be addressed and you're going to get a clarity upon your concepts as well. Essentially, it would ensure that you learn more. Just put yourself out there. In the beginning, you could have a tough time sitting for the long hours, but this is worth it.